Essentially, in this question, we have the number 24,942, which is a palindrome. It reads the same forwards and backwards, and we're trying to find the next one. Now, if we increased the units digit, we'd have to increase the 10,000th digit as well because it still has to be palindromic. So we don't want to do that if we can avoid it because that's going to make the number much bigger. We're trying to find the next one. If we affect the fours, well, we're going to affect the thousands column as well. What if we try to just affect the very middle number? Now, in most cases, this would be successful because like the next one for 24,742 would be 24,842. I'd just be adding 100 on because yeah, that would affect the number as little as possible. Here, if I try and do that, add one onto the nine, I'm going to get as back to a zero, but I need the number to be bigger. So essentially, this is going to become, I'm going to get nine actually becomes 10, and this is going to affect the thousands column, which means I'm also going to have to increase that tens digit. So this is going to be the next biggest palindrome. And then let's subtract them to find the difference. So 0, 1 over here, going to get 1. It's going to be 110. I should just add that another way to do this question would just be to add on the multiple choice options until it works, and it wouldn't take too long. You might think that's easier, and fair enough in the context of a timed challenge. But if you're enhancing your problem solving skills, if you want to move on to challenges where you don't have multiple choice answers, then I strongly advise like just thinking about the process of what the next palindromic number would be, rather than just trial and trying the answers out until it works, because it will help improve your problem solving skills and dealing with any sorts of extension questions that could occur. And it's just quite nice actually to try these problems sometimes without just looking at the answers and figuring out which one it has to be.